Hey guys, this is my next video. Today we'll be flying from Pittsburgh International Airport to Los Angeles International Airport with a layover in Atlanta. Our aircrafts operating our flights today will be the MD-88 and the Boeing 777-200LR. Now here we have an overview of Pittsburgh International Airport, its runways, and its terminals. Stepping into the air train to take me to my gate.
Of your final destination. You see, as we finish up the boarding process, the overhead bins will fill up quickly. And we'd like to spend the last 7 minutes of departure time sending you to the runway and standing inside the jetway, gate checking larger items. So come up here and see me at the podium if you'd like to check a larger item right to
Pushing back for Atlanta, and we boarded the plane at about 3:15, and our plane was due to leave at about 3:41. So I'll give Delta's on-time boarding rating a 9 out of 10. Nice job, Delta. So just after deboarding our aircraft from Pittsburgh, we are now in Atlanta walking through Terminal B. Now, it's a very nice terminal, but it's always very crowded, so I wouldn't recommend staying in there for long. Stepping on board the air train in Atlanta, and this train can take you to any terminal in Atlanta.
Please collect your belongings and assist
So while I was in Atlanta, I decided to go down to Terminal F to have some food before my flight. And Terminal F is the international terminal in Atlanta. It's where all the international departures and arrivals pull into. It's a really nice terminal, newly developed and kind of modern. And there's a food court in there, a lot of nice little shops, and I recommend checking it out if you're there. After grabbing a bite to eat, I took the air train to Terminal E where my flight would depart, and Terminal E is nice and busy, but it is a very nice terminal.
Just put it
Boarding the 777-200LR, it accommodates 291 passengers and has 218 seats in economy, 36 seats in economy comfort, and 37 seats in business elite.
Now we got some room if y'all don't want to go all the way to the back.
So we were due to board the aircraft at 6:10, but ended up boarding at 6:25, and we were due to leave at 6:49, which we ended up doing. So I'll give the on-time rating of Delta about a 4 out of 5.
For emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. Are you willing and able to assist with the operation of the exit if necessary? If you're unable to perform these functions, please let us know, and we'll be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle, and all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions. Smoking is not allowed on any Delta flight.
The way Delta handles their in-flight operations is awesome. It's a nice and chilled out atmosphere, and you can easily get some sleep. Right now you're looking at the in-flight entertainment for Delta, and this thing will save you. This thing has everything from movies to playing games to music to a tracker. It has everything. Movies are free, TV is free. It's really cool, and I really recommend you use it during your flight, and if you don't have your own entertainment, you can even use that. The in-flight menu for Delta Airlines is actually really nice. They have a lot of sandwiches and things. It does cost a little bit of money, but I do recommend getting it. It's good food, and it's nice to sit back and relax and grab a bite to eat. Looking in the lavatory of the Delta Airlines Boeing 777-200LR, it's a nice place to stretch your legs, and it's very spacious and nice. So about an hour and 20 minutes into the flight attendants distributed the meals if you did order one. I ordered the cracked pepper turkey sandwich, a Diet Coke, a bag of peanuts, and the famous Biscoffs. I'm watching Kick-Ass 2, which is a really funny movie, and I also got to watch it for free. Cruising over New Mexico and Arizona is an absolutely beautiful sight. I do recommend peeking your head out the window and snapping a few pictures because this is an absolutely breathtaking view. Descending into Los Angeles, it was a really nice flight by Delta. I got to eat, I got to watch some movies, I got some sleep. It was a really nice flight, nice and relaxed, and I feel pretty refreshed descending into Los Angeles. Thank you, Delta.